So we've selected a wheelchair. We've gone over the physical factors and the contextual factors. We've gone over pressure ulcers and different things to keep in mind when selecting a wheelchair. Finally, we're going to end with comfort. So most individuals with using wheelchair for mobility said that comfort was rated as the most important variable for a wheelchair sitting aid. Of course, who likes to be uncomfortable? We want to make sure that the individual has adequate air exchange and maintain an even temperature when sitting in his or her chair. We also want to make sure for those individual of the aging population that they have functional mobility while in their seating systems. We want to make sure that they're able to move adequately and reach and have um, let's say, adequate amount of mobility while using the wheelchair.